Hello friends, myself Dr. Maddineni Srinivas. So in this video we are going to quickly revise some of the DIF findings of the vesicular disorders, and this is the question: deposition of IgA in the dermoepidermal junction, that is basement membrane zone, in a granular pattern. And if you have marked the answer as dermatitis herpetiformis, very good, you have answered it right. So let us quickly see what will be the DIF findings in other options. So lichen planus, it is a papilloscomus disorder, and at your level you need not know what will be the DIF finding in lichen planus. And coming to option B, LABD, linear IgA bullous dermatosis, this is going to be the pattern which can be seen, that is IgA deposition in a linear pattern along the basement membrane zone or dermoepidermal junction is the DIF finding. And in bullous pemphigoid, which is a subepidermal blistering disorder, there will be deposition of IgG in a linear fashion. Whereas in dermatitis herpetiformis, both DIF as well as histopathology are important, and DIF finding, it is already given in the question. So it will be IgA deposition in a granular pattern. And what is the histopathological observation? It is going to be dermal papillary tip micro abscesses. So this is also very important. You must remember that is dermal papillary tip micro abscesses where the predominant cells are neutrophils. Okay, please remember this. And one more question to all of you is a extra H question. So in the case of bullous pemphigoid, we are going to perform what is called as salt split, and we are going to differentiate bullous pemphigoid from one other vesiculobullous disorder. So can you name what is that vesiculobullous disorder? We can identify and differentiate with the help of a salt split. Otherwise, in bullous pemphigoid and this other vesiculobullous disorder, all the other features are going to be almost the same, including the biopsy finding and also DIF finding. So please do put your answer in the comment section.